guys! So, today papakita ko lang yung ano. Daddy, anong tawag dito?
Jerky.
Jerky. So, kasi nung pumunta kami ng Macau, sobrang na-addict kami sa jerky doon. Di ba? Ang sarap sa may simbahang putol. Ngayon, namimiss namin kasi hindi kami pwedeng bumiyahe and everything. Pero I'm glad na nakahanap ako online. Galing siya ng, nakalagay ito, galing siya ng Los Angeles. Yeah, so magmumukbang tayo ngayon ng jerky. It's a famous Singapore style fire-grilled jerky. So, tingnan natin kung kasing sarap ba siya nung nasa Asia talaga. Alright. After you wash your hand, can you give us chopsticks or gunting?
Chopsticks?
Or gunting. Or end pala, I don't know. And or let's see. Ayaw tumayo ng aking camera. Masyadong madulas. So, ako na lang mag-a-adjust. Sabi ko nga, laglag. Parang pinabasa na. Pero siguro?
Yeah, mainit pa.
Okay. That's good. Ang bango. Okay, amoy-amoy muna. You eat it first. Makapal. Tignan natin sa mangkok. You got it. Hindi nakatiis. Hinawakan mo na talaga. No. Where's mom? Asa si mom? Daddy, can you taste it now? If it's the same.
Yeah, that's great.
Wow. Really?
It's good jerky.
Oh, wow. Tastes like a tocino, ha? Okay. Oh my god, I think this one is better. It's really bacon. I don't need it to be cut. Matigas siya kumpara dito sa isa. Dapat ito mas malambot kasi dapat di ba bacon mas maraming fat.
Pero jerky pa rin siya.
Kailangan ko na ano. Plato.
Masarap sa pero ay, uncle mo nandun siya.
Mommy, you wanna try?
Yeah.
Jerky.
Basta isang nagre-remind na lang.
No. What? Mami, by the way, naka-record ako, ha? Oh my god, daw sabi na. Ganda. Mother-in-law ko. Sa mukha ni Aliw, diba? Naging babae lang.
Sarap eh.
Sarap.
So guys, thank you so much for watching. So for us, that jerky from LA is really a thumbs up. It's really good. Pero mas maisasarap pa pala siya. It is better when we microwave it for 15 seconds. So mas malambot siya kasi 'di ba kanina inaangal namin medyo matigas yung yung bacon jerky. Yung isa, medyo matigas din, pero sobrang sarap kasi ng spicy. So, nang binasa namin yung kanyang packaging, kung bakit kasi hindi kami marunong magbasa, nakalagay dito, you can microwave it for 15 seconds. Okay, medyo malabo. Yan. So, ang tatak po niya is fragrant jerky na nakuha ko sa Etsy. So, this is great. I mean, sobrang sarap niya. Yun. Kailangan mo lang siya ipainit para makuha mo yung pinaka-perfect texture and mas malasa pa rin siya pag mas mainit siya. So, thank you so much for watching, guys. And if you didn't do yet, please click like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And please don't forget to click the notification bell. We love you so much. Have a wonderful day.